With ATIs, CAN OBD, and Enhanced Diagnostic Toolkits, Vision can be set up to acquire OBD2, PID, and UDS DID data by utilizing services 1 and 22 or 2A respectively. When adding an ECU using either OBD2 monitor or enhanced diagnostic devices, the ISO SAE standard PIDs are automatically added to Vision's Data Item Manager for acquisition using Service 01. The source or address column will reference the specific PID the data item relates to. These data items can be used in any compatible Vision screen object and recorded alongside other Vision data items. With the Enhanced Diagnostic Toolkits, these PIDs are organized into additional folders. Enhanced Diagnostic Devices can be further extended through the use of an ODX file. Loading an ODX file can add additional manufacturer-specific PIDs alongside DIDs to Vision's Data Item Manager. These can be acquired through Service 01 for PID data and Service 22 or 2A for DID data. When loading an ODX file, associated information about created data items will be present in the Enhanced Diagnostics log. This can be enabled by going to View, then Enhanced Diagnostics log. Data item usage. Adding data items from diagnostic devices into Vision screen objects will utilize the correct diagnostic service to acquire the data. For services 01 and 22, these are request and response-based services, and thus the data rates for acquiring data using these services is not fixed. Vision will try and acquire data items faster than or at the requested rate, but it is worth using the Doc Rate Info panel to show the actual rate at which these data items are acquired. These diagnostic data items can be combined with other Vision data items during standard tests producing recordings from multiple sources. Service 2A. Service 2A can be enabled for supported DIDs that are loaded through an ODX file. These DIDs are generally defined in the F200 range but are ECU dependent. To enable Service 2A, UU-DT channel definitions need to be added to the ECU Properties window. Then, by selecting either the fast, medium, or slow data rates in the recorder, Vision will use Service 2A for the selected data channels. API functionality. With the Enhanced Diagnostics Toolkit, the aforementioned services can be accessed from the Vision API. This allows diagnostic data to be incorporated within automated test scripts. An example usage of these functions is to check the live PID data using Service 01 during OBD2 validation tests. This ensures the engine is in the correct state during the test.